Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today, I can't believe it. Guys, my Q60 is for sale, but not by me, by CATBACK. So you guys already know what to do? Shoot. Damn, where's that intro? Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. First thing, if you are a subscriber to this channel, that means you guys already hit the like button. Please, and I appreciate it, guys. So thank you for being part of the Boost in Motion family. Now, if you are new to this channel, you've never watched any of my videos, please watch those videos and then watch this one. And then tell me by saying, hey, Boost, I really like your videos. I'm hit the subscribe button. Much love, much appreciative. Thank you, guys. Anyway, guys, let's go just jump into it. So if you guys don't already know, I had a 2017 Infiniti Q60, and in May, I ended up selling the car to CarMax. Short answer, they offered me $31,000. I bought the car about a year and a half ago for $30,000. So I pretty much walked away with driving the car for free. Well, nonetheless, they finally posted it up for sale. Shout out to my IG followers at my Boost Emotion on IG. They said, Boost, your car's for sale by CarMax. I said, what are you talking about? There's no way. But it's been a minute, and I was wondering where the car is. So let's do a screen share. Let's see what they say about this car, if there's any information that just stands out. So first thing, we know that these photos are doctored up. But first thing, they want $35,000 for this car. So they gave me 31. They're looking to make a profit of about $4,000. That's before finance charges and anything else they choose to sell you guys. So they're still going to make a profit. I'm still sitting thinking in my head, this is such a slim margin, but because CarMax is a no haggle place, 35 is what you're paying. That's it. You can't be like going in like, I'll give you 32. No, it is 35. And then whatever finance charges. All right, they want this 49,000 miles. They offer you 150,000 miles or a 60-month warranty. The car is loaded. Remember, my car was fully loaded, except that it didn't have the grill. It wasn't illuminated because of the sonar. You can't have sonar and also the illuminated grill. Let's see if there's anything that stands out. Nothing much. They just see what your FICO score is and what the pricing and how much it would be per month. So if you have good credit, you put $2,000 down and you go for a 72 months term length. The car would be about 563 to 630 per month. And then boom, you're good to go. All dependent on the APR. Cool. And whatever else they choose to. Now let's look at some photos. How do I notice this car? Because I looked at the VIN. But nonetheless, this is my old car, man. It is crazy to see my old car. Hey, but look, I did curb those wheels up. I know I curved those wheels up. That's why I was like, damn, they look like they didn't even really clean the car. It's like still wet. They could have wiped it down. It's crazy to see my car fully back to stock height. That's crazy. And even press the lights for you when it gets to the back. They press on the brake lights for you. See? Pretty cool. All right. And it's crazy knowing that this car was modified. Now, I want you guys to know, you can't take this video and go to CarMax. Oh, this car used to be on the YouTube channel. It was raced, blah, blah, blah. That's not going to help you guys get the car. They don't care. It's for sale. The price is the price. All right. All right. So let's go to interior price 360. All right. So that was my interior. I kept it pretty good in shape. I did leave it with the same car mats. And they didn't really wipe down the seat all the way. It's a little bit of water here. All right. Sunroof, everything. Remember, guys, and they even left the back seats clipped like I always do. Isn't that crazy? And it's crazy. My car had all that stuff done. It had coilovers and all of that. Here go the driver's seat. That's me being lazy. And the center console. It looked like they didn't really clean the car that much. Okay. Can I zoom out a little bit more? No. Okay. So That's just interior and exterior. Now, what other images do they have? This is for some of you guys who may be looking to buy this car. And my 2 keys that were included. I gave back all the keys, so I wasn't on no nonsense. The GPS, they don't really have much trunk pictures. That's inside. The backup camera works. Let's see here. All that stuff worked. It was really not much issues with the car. There were a couple of things wrong with the car, but I don't want to say that on video, because, well, I'm not. I just want you guys to know, get that warranty for little things. Look at the car in the first 7 days and go through everything. If you do get this car, if you do get this VIN number, let me know ASAP. I'll tell you exactly what's wrong with the car. And I sold the car without an engine cover, so they put an engine cover on. They found one. So I saw that they did this. And the problems that's wrong with the car isn't anything mechanical. The car was perfectly fine before I sold it. And that's really all the photos they really included. That's it. They only give you about 25 photos and the 360s. All right, so let's go back to the original everything. Can we even go back? Can we get out of here? Cool. So this is where we're at, guys. My car is for sale. Now, if you do choose to purchase my car, right, I still have the tune for this car, for this specific VIN number. So, I'm just gonna say it on video. If you somehow get my car, if you put on the same similar bolt-ons, I will literally just send you back the tune. I know what my car was tuned on. 93 fuel, I'll send you the tune for 93. And I could save you a lot of change. Of course, I'm not sending you for free. It'll be a small price to pay, very small price, but I could definitely send you the tuning files, and then you can tune the car on 90. Not tune it, but flash it to the optimized tune on 93, depending on your bolt-ons. But that's up to you guys. But this is really what it is, man. This is crazy. Just seeing my car, man. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, guys, tell me what you think, man. Boost, his old car is sold. It is gone. And I don't know. I don't have that much sentimental value for it as I thought I would. Also, they took off the tints. The car had tints on the side windows. They took it off because the sides are tinted here, but they're not tinted here. So they took off the tints. I guess they want to be able to sell it to wherever it goes, unfortunately. And they left the rear tints on also. So nonetheless, this car is in good working condition. From what I remember, the car is ready, okay, and good to go. There's just small little defects. I know that's wrong with it. Little zip tie here and stuff. So if you do end up purchasing this car from a CarMax and under this VIN number that's listed, guys, let me know. If you put on a similar bolt-ons, I could send you the tune for a very small price, and the car pretty much is a-okay, ready to go. So outside that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys for always banging with your boy Boost. Much love, and you already know what to do. Hopefully, you hit the like button. So outside that, guys, you have a good day. I appreciate you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.